Citigroup versus KeyBank, which is better. Citigroup and KeyBank are both well-established financial institutions, but they cater to different needs and offer distinct services. So in this video, I'm going to help you compare the two banks together to see which one is best for you. So here's a comparison to help you decide which might be better for you or nice in the future. Citigroup is a global financial services corporation known for its extensive range of financial products and services. The services offers a wide array of services including retail banking, investment banking, wealth management, and credit card. And their main focus on their clients is for service individual. They provide services for individuals, for corporations. They provide services for governments. They also provide services for institutions worldwide. And their level of strength, they have strong global presence. They have strong global presence. They also diverse financial products, and they also have a strong, extensive resources. And also talking about the KeyBank. KeyBank is a regional bank primarily serving the northeastern United States of America. The service provide personal banking. They also provide business banking. They also provide mortgage services. They also provide investment services. And their main focus for their clients is to focus on individual, and they also focus on small to medium sales businesses. And the strength of their company, they have a strong community presence, and also they have a strong personalized customer services, and they also focus on a local market. So ultimately, the choice between the Citigroup and the KeyBank depends on your specific financial need and goal. So what means that you as a person, you decide or which one is better. It actually depends on your financial needs and your goal. If your financial needs state that you are a small size business, or you want a focused on individual bank, I think KeyBank was the best for you, be the best for you. And you're the kind of person that wants a wide array of services, including a retail banking, investment banking, or wealth management. So what you want is for a bank that can manage your wealth for you, a bank a banking investment banking, and a retail banking, which is gonna help your business or your business grow wider. You might want to consider Citigroup. So this is the two difference between the bank and the KeyBank. They offer a local banking network. So in this video, that is how we could compare. And find this video, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.